Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you these two Collage Soup books. The first ones that I've got, and I will get a few more because I love them. The paper is great, the colors are just fantastic, and I love to play with them. And all the things that I've been seeing on YouTube and on other social media channels are just awesome. So yeah, let's do a flip through, and I'm starting with Bird Nerd. Okay? So these books are available on Amazon. And oh wow, these birdies you could cut up and use them for your ATCs. I think that would be very cool. This book is designed together with Megan Quinlan, who we all know. And there is one thing about these books is the pages. You can rip them out of your book, of course, you know, but I wouldn't do it. They recommend, in the book says that you have to have a heating tool or a hair dryer, and then warm up the spine of the book so the glue, the binding glue, will get warm. And that way it's very easy to get all the pages out without tearing into one of your maybe favorite collage. That would be very, very sour. So just use the heat tool if you want to rip those pages out of the book and have fun playing. So let's see what's inside this book. Love these ones. The colors are just so beautiful. Some eggs, more birdies, some chickens. Oh wow, a chicken with hearts. The books are printed double-sided. Some nests, some swans in a bathtub. Cool. And you can buy them online as well. And these books are just so great. I really, really love them. It's great for collaging, for art journaling, whatever it is that you want to do, for A to C cards or just for a regular card, you know, birthday card or whatever. Oh, this one is cool, and I love the background. I like this one. It's funny. You can use these pages for backgrounds or use it for something else. Wow, love this. And look at the feathers, so pretty. Another pretty one, black and white feathers, very cool. More feathers. Love it. Oh, as you can see, this background has been done with gel plate. That's why I love gel plates. Keep on layering, 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 and then, yeah, it's going to be a hot mess, but a good hot mess. So beautiful. I love these. Very cool for a birthday card for a boy. Very cool. Awesome for A to C's. This one is just fantastic. I love this. Steampunk. Love it. I'm not a huge fan of black and white, but that's just me. They're so cute. Love these birdies. Another beautiful bird. Not a fan of this. I love this. Lots of color. That's what I like. Beautiful. Wow. I think that, you know, some pages are just so beautiful that I just going to leave it as it is. Just going to stick it in my journal, make a pretty background and put a frame on it, and that's it. You know, it's like this one. It's so pretty. Yeah. I think I'm just going to glue it in my art journal and make a pretty frame, and that's it. Love this. More owls, some branches with some birds. Love this. Absolutely love this. I love owls. They are so mysterious and pretty. Yeah, I love owls. More owls. Some of the birds I do know the name in Dutch, but I don't know the name in English, so I better not say it. Pretty. I love this. This reminds me of the Tim Holtz vintage style. This one as well. Pretty hummingbirds, pretty nests. Awesome. Some bird cages. Very cool. More black and white. It's some vintage. On the other side, some roosters, chickens. I love chickens. Wow, all the color with some toucans. Very pretty. I don't care so much about this one, although it's funny. This one is so pretty. I absolutely will be very careful when I take this page out, and I'm just going to make a frame in my art journal and stick this down, and that's it. Because this is just so pretty. With all the birds. Love it. This one is funny. More birds. Don't know the name of these in English. Parrots, but this one, I don't know. This one is cool. Some pigeons. More toucans, more pigeons. Beautiful. More crows, or are those ravens? I don't know. I think that ravens are bigger than crows. Who knows? Oh, these are so cute. These birdies. Awesome. They are cute as well. Awesome for a birthday card or whatever, you know? Yeah, very cool. More feathers, more birds. Birds. More dressed up birds. Oh, these are pretty hummingbirds. And some flowers. These are great for A to C cards. I think that these are ravens. I think. I don't know for sure. Very cool. I don't care about this page too much, but I do think that this one is funny. I like this. Don't ask me why, but I just do. These two pages, meh, I don't care too much about it. And that was book number 1. And that's it. And let's go to book number 2, I Spy an Eye. Oh, this one is called Bird Nerd, okay? This one is called I Spy an Eye. And I've already cut something out, which you can see on my Instagram or on my post on YouTube, which I share with you guys. This one is a totally different than a Bird Nerd, but also very beautiful. Alright, that's a face. More faces. This one is very pretty. Love this. Eyes, dudes all over. Very pretty lady. More eyeballs. Another pretty lady and a very big eyeball. Cat head. Lady. I don't care too much about this. This is just not my thing. This I like. Just use your imagination and let your creativity spark. This is funny. Very weird. Love this. This is not my thing, but I do kind of like it. Don't ask me why. I just do. More eyes. Another face. This face just seems off to me. A little bit scary looking. Not my thing. I definitely do not like this, but it would be great for a Halloween card or a Halloween collage. This one. That would be very cool. More eyeballs, more faces. This one is pretty. More black and white eyeballs. Faces. More eyeballs. Female faces. A little bit weird, but yeah. More eyes. Oh, I like those doggies. I love dogs. Very pretty eye. Pretty lady. Another pretty lady. I don't care much about this one. Mwah. Love this. And I love this. Asian inspired. It's Asian letters. Don't ask me what it is or what it says, because I don't know. More Asian people. Dragon eyes. Very cool. This one is funny. Don't care about these ones. This one is very nice. I really like that one. More eyes. More eyes. Wow. I love loving the colors. Love it. Not that much. This one is funny. Pretty with all the colors. Lots of colors. More colorful things. What you also could do if you have like something fishy, that's another Collage Soup book. You just cut out a funny face of a fish or whatever and just cut this one off and put another head on of a head of a cat or a dog or whatever you have, you know, then you have something weird, which is fun. Same goes for this one. And just go over it with some paint pens, you know? Then you don't see all of this. Just a tip. I like this. Oh wow, I love this with all the butterflies and the flowers. Very pretty. Doggy, I love doggies. Love this one. Okay, so you might have figured out I already used this book for something. And these are some loose pages. I love this. This reminds me of the latest stems from Dilutions, which also have those kinds of dolly faces. I really like that. I don't like spiders at all. Love this one. Meh. Not that much. Love this fishy face. Very weird, but I like it. This one, nah. It's not colorful. Love this. This one, not too much. I love color, people. Oh wow. Funny. Funny fishes. Another doll. Baby doll. Oh, let's turn it around. Another doggy. A baby face. An abstract bird. Another baby face. And some more loose pages. Love this. Absolutely love this one. Very cool. Love this one as well. And that's it. That's it, guys. So I hope that you like this book. I for sure going to play with it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more inspiration which will come up with these collage books. And I hope to see you at the next video. Take care everybody, happy crafting, and see you at the next time. Bye bye!